Many popular diets rely on extreme, short-term restrictions that rarely last. These plans fail by focusing on temporary goals rather than a permanent health shift. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a personalized body recomposition blueprint designed for your specific physiology. By the end of this video, you will have calculated your daily calorie limit, set a protein target, selected a tracking method, and scheduled your first 3 workouts. To begin, note your current body weight in pounds and have a calculator ready. Establishing a personalized plan based on your own data moves the focus away from fluctuating willpower and toward a consistent, sustainable routine. The first step is identifying your maintenance calories. This is the energy required to keep your body at its current weight without gaining or losing. Multiply your weight in pounds by an activity level between 14 and 18. For a 180-pound person with average activity, multiply by 16 to get 2,880 maintenance calories. To lose fat, establish a 20% deficit by multiplying that number by 0.8, targeting 2,300 daily calories. This measured approach is a reliable way to lose fat, while avoiding the severe hunger and metabolic slowdown that often follows more extreme calorie cuts. Body recomposition involves losing fat while protecting your existing muscle mass. Maintaining a high protein intake ensures that a calorie deficit doesn't lead to your body breaking down muscle for energy. To maintain muscle, you need 0.4 grams of protein per pound of body weight. To build muscle, aim for 0.7 to 1 gram per pound. For a 180-pound person, the lower end of this muscle-building range requires 126 grams of daily protein. Consuming this much protein through standard meals can be difficult. To make this target more achievable, you can front-load your intake early in the day. Mixing protein powder into your morning water or adding a high-protein shake to your coffee can help you reach nearly half of your daily requirement before you even start work. Consistently hitting this macro target provides the stimulus your body needs to prioritize fat loss while sparing your muscle mass. Tracking calories is often the most tedious part of the process, but committing to it for just 1 or 2 weeks builds an accurate baseline of how much you are actually eating. Using an app that analyzes a photo of your meal reduces this friction. It automates calculations, helping you maintain consistency without manually weighing every ingredient. You can also set up environmental bumpers to make healthy choices easier. This involves organizing your physical space so that you don't have to rely on daily willpower. Consider simple food swaps. Replace soda with zero-sugar alternatives. Swap higher-calorie ingredients for lean turkey or Greek yogurt. To prevent unconscious overeating, try splitting your meal in half and putting one portion away before you begin. This creates a physical pause that helps you recognize when you are actually full. Optimizing your kitchen and using simple tracking tools makes these habits part of your environment, rather than a constant test of your resolve. You don't need high-intensity, punishing cardio to see progress. Excessive running often increases hunger, making it much harder to stick to your daily calorie target. Aim for a baseline of 10,000 steps a day. Achieve this through low-impact movement like outdoor walks or using a walking pad while you work. Add a 3-day lifting schedule of compound movements. On Monday, do 5 sets of bench press plus Stairmaster. Wednesday, shift to 5 sets of squats and incline walking. Complete the week on Friday with 5 sets of deadlifts and a 20-minute walk. This combination of steady daily steps and basic strength training is more effective for long-term body recomposition than sporadic bursts of intense cardio. Slip-ups are an inevitable part of any lifestyle change. You will eventually miss a gym session or exceed your calorie target for a day. The key to long-term success is the 2-day rule. Never miss your daily target twice in a row. This rule prevents a single off day from turning into a new negative habit. It keeps you moving in the right direction even when life gets in the way. Review the notes you have compiled. You now have a personalized framework designed for your current weight and activity level. You have your daily calorie limit, a clear protein target, a tracking method, and a manageable workout schedule. Following these specific instructions helps you adopt the identity of a person who prioritizes their health. Your focus is now on the process, rather than just a number on the scale. Start by clearing your pantry of high-calorie junk food, setting up your tracking app, and beginning day 1 of your blueprint tomorrow. Consistently applying these steps will eventually result in the physical changes you've planned for. Stick to the deficit, hit your protein, and use the 2-day rule to stay on track.